Good evening everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So today we will discuss on how to solve for the variance and the standard deviation from group data. So before na we will solve for the variance and standard deviation, first we need to complete the frequency distribution table. So bago natin mahanap yung variance and standard deviation, kailangan natin munang isolve yung mean. Okay, dapat unahin natin itong value ng mean from group data. So first we need to complete the frequency distribution. So ito x sub m. So ang x sub m, that is the midpoint of its class. So how to find the midpoints of its class? So 54 to 56, yung midpoint is 55. 51 to 53, that is 52. This one is 49. Then 46. Next is 43. And this one is 40. Next is 37, 34, and 31, and 28. Then find the total frequency. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3, that is equivalent to 40. So the total frequency is 40. Next, anong sunod sa x sub m? Okay, sunod is, that is frequency times x sub m. So frequency times x sub m. So 55 times 3, that is 165. Okay, 165. Then 2 times 52, that is 104. Then 1 times 49, that is 49. 5 times 46, that is 230. 230. Then 6 times 43, that is 258. 8 times 40, that is 320. And 4 times 37, that is 148. Okay, next 6 times 34. So 6 times 34, that is 204. Then 31 times 2, that is 62. And last 3 times 28, that is 84. Then find the total sum of f times x sub m. So pag itotal natin yan, the result is, ano yung result? So 165 plus 104 plus 49 plus 230 plus 258 plus 320 plus 148 plus 204 plus 62 plus 84, the total is 1,624. So 1,624. So unahin natin muna yung mean. So formula, that is summation of f x sub m over n. So that is equivalent to 1,624. Divide natin yan sa total frequency, that is 40. So ang sagot is, that is 40.6. Ito na yung value ng mean. Next, in order to solve for the variance and standard deviation, continue the frequency distribution table. So this one is x sub m minus m n. So the value of the midpoint of its class is subtract the value of the mean. So x sub m, the value is 55 minus 40.6, that is 14.4. Okay, next 52 minus 40.6, that is 11.4. And 49 minus 40.6, that is 8.4. Next, 46 minus 40.6, that is 5.4. And 43 minus 40.6, the result is 2.4. Then 40 minus 40.6, the result is negative 0.6. Next, 37 minus 40.6, the result is negative 3.6. Then 34 minus 40.6, the result is negative 6.6. Then 31 minus 40.6, the result is negative 9.6. Next, last, 28 minus 40.6, the result is negative 12.6. Tandaan nyo lang itong formula, x sub m minus the value of the mean. Next, sunod is x sub m minus mn or mean raised to 2. So meaning, x sub m minus mn or the value of the mean is squared. So you need to multiply the number by itself. So to find the value of x sub m minus mn raised to 2. So 14.4 times 14.4, that is equivalent to 207.36. Next, 11.4 times 11.4, that is 129.96. Then 8.4 times 8.4, that is 70.56. Then 5.4 times 5.4, that is 29.16. Then 2.4 times 2.4, that is 5.76. Then negative 0.6 times negative 0.6, that is negative or positive 0.36. Then this one, negative 3.6 times negative 3.6, that is 12.96. So nagiging positive kasi when you multiply negative times negative, so the result is positive. Next, negative 6.6 times negative 0.6 times 6, that is 43.56. The negative 9.6 times negative 9.6, the result is 92.6. The negative 12.6 times negative 12.6, that is 158.16 or 76. Okay, next formula, next one is f times x sub m minus mn raised to 2. So meaning frequency times this one. So ito, frequency times 207.36. So 3 times 207.36, that is 622.08. Next, 2 times 129.96, the result is 259.92. Next, 1 times 70.56, so the result is 70.56. Then 29.16 times 5, the result is 145.8. Next, 5.76 times 6, that is 34.56. Next, 8 times 0.36, that is 2.88. Next, 4 times 12.96, that is 51.84. Next, 43.56 times 6, that is equivalent to 261.36. Then 92.16 times 2, that is equivalent to 184.32. Then 158.76 times 3, the result is 476.32. Then find, or 28 rather, 28. Then find the total sum. So pag i-add natin lahat ito, okay, that is equivalent to 2,109.6. So that is the total sum of f times x sub m minus mn. Then formula for variance is to variance formula, that is s squared equals summation of f times the quantity of x sub m minus mn raised to 2 over n minus 1. So substitute lang natin ang total sum of f times x sub m minus mn raised to 2, that is 2,109.6 over, ang n is 40 minus 1, so that is 39. So that is equivalent to 2,109.6. I-divide natin sa 39, the result is 54.09. 54.09 is our variance. Okay, how about standard deviation? So standard deviation, it is the square root of the variance. So standard deviation, so formula, that is s square root of the variance, summation of f times x sub m minus mn raised to 2 over n minus 1. So ang value nito is 54, so that is the square root of 54.09. So square root of 54.09, that is 7.35. So ito na yung standard deviation natin, 7.35. Okay, that's all for today.